In this presentation, I'm going to talk a little bit about conjunctions. Not all conjunctions. We're going to focus on three of the most common conjunctions and what they do. And those conjunctions are and, but, and or. So first, we need to say what a conjunction is. Conjunction is a part of speech, and conjunctions are used to connect groups of words that could stand as separate sentences. So, for example, let's take the word and. The conjunction and lets us add information to a sentence. So, if I have a sentence that says, our school is neat, and I have another sentence that says, our school is clean, I'm able to compress those into one much more compact sentence by saying, our school is neat and clean. Using the conjunction and lets me just put the adjective clean right on the end of the sentence. Here's another example. The dog is tired. The dog is old. We can say the dog is tired and old. So that's and. Now let's look at another conjunction, but. But is used to contrast information in two or more parts of a sentence. So for example, I'd like to go skiing. That's one sentence. And we might have another sentence that says, I don't own warm clothes. Now, anybody who's ever been skiing can tell you warm clothes are a must when you're on snowy slopes. So, if we were to combine those, we would say, I'd like to go skiing, but I don't own warm clothes. The two parts of the sentence are in conflict with one another. They work against one another. So we say they are contrasting, and we use but. Here's another example. The restaurant is dirty. That's generally not thought of as a good quality. The food is very good. That is thought of as a good quality. So we can set up a contrast through the use of the conjunction but. The restaurant is dirty, but the food is very good. Let's move on to our third conjunction, which is or. Or is used in sentences to express a choice. You can do one thing or take one thing or the other, not both, one or the other. We could go to the park. We could go to the zoo. You can combine those into one sentence using or. We could go to the park or the zoo. Here's another example. We could go on Saturday. We could go on Sunday. So using or, we can set up the choice in the sentence. We could go on Saturday or Sunday. So just to review, the conjunction and lets us add information to a sentence that rounds it out better. The conjunction but allows us to set up a contrast between two differing things. And the conjunction or is used to express a choice within a sentence.